Okay, so earlier we were doing the top half of this right thigh piece. I went ahead and did a little work here. I don't know if you can see it too well, but took the shims and I went over the top area to try and get it closer and more of a smooth position, which I think did all right. Still a tiny little pocket here, but I think that can be covered up easily with some kind of like epoxy or whatever it is that they're doing to, you know, go over these things and then sand them down and paint it to make it look seamless. So overall, not too bad. So that's all for the right thigh piece. So now we're going to go on to this is the left shin piece. And so for the right one, back in that video, you'll notice that like I did a cut up here along this inside piece. I wanted to try and see if it could work if I left that closed instead of cutting, but we'll find out if that actually lines up okay. I guess we'll go ahead and put the Velcro pieces on the right side of the left piece, like we did before. Alright, so get this guy in there. It's always so hard to get this off. There we go. Okay. So first piece will go in there. These two. There we go. This guy will go in here. Okay. So on the right piece that I did last time, if you remember, I put one up here because I thought that would help connect this piece closer to this, but it didn't really do much though. There was still kind of a gap just because like there's not an indentation here for that Velcro piece. So this time I'm just going to leave that the way it is. So that will go right here. And this next piece looks like it's going right there. Alright, and this piece is going to go right there. Oh, sorry about that. Alright, so let's see how we did. Okay, and actually I did not do so well. this one's only half on, same as that, and same as that. So I'll put some more Velcro on later to help fix that problem. And actually, I think maybe I will have to do a little snip up here so this can slide up, because like as you can see, like these two pieces right here are touching, but as you go down to the end, these two are not lining up quite like that. So I think it'd be easier if I just brought this up, and then if I had that slot in there, I could just kind of tuck this behind that. So I'm gonna cut this later on, and this whole thing up. But for right now, we'll just take a look on this side and see if that's some issue here, or if I'm going to have to cut that slot up there on this side as well. So, okay, so it doesn't look like that's gonna happen, because yeah, so kind of matched up here. So we go down, and if I trim this off a little bit, this rim kind of matches with that one, so I think that should be all right. So I think it's just the other side that I'll have to adjust. But so we'll go ahead and glue this side down now that we have some of the Velcro holding the other side in place. And I think I can get the whole thing in one go. So I know that with my last thigh piece I tried to do half and half, but I think this piece I can do the whole thing all together. So we'll try that. Whoop. Okay, gotta hurry before it dries too much. Okay, that goes there. Okay, use this to hold that in there. Bring this one up to there. Okay, then we'll get our trusty, jeez. Then we'll use this along with our shims. Up here. Let's do that again. Get that closer. Okay, right on it. There we go, there we go. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so that's some of that. Then we'll do one on the other side. Okay, right there. And clamped. Okay, so looking at this, that's, don't know if you can see that, but I think that's okay. Might have to do that one later on once I get these two clamps freed up after it cures, but I think we'll stick with that for now, and see you at the next video.